Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Adobe Illustrator tips and tricks. And in this video, I'm going to show you on how to show all hidden tools in Adobe Illustrator toolbar right here. Let me show you how. So the very first thing you want to do is to come down below right here, where you have these three dots right here. So go ahead and click on these three dots. Once you click on these three dots, you have access to a lot of hidden toolbar in Illustrator. So if you want to show any of the toolbar right here, what you need to do is click on it. So you can scroll down and see more tool right here. The more you scroll down, the more you see all hidden toolbar right here. Now let's say for instance, I want to use this particular peer graph tool right here. So just click on it, and once you click on it, it's going to be effect and be added to your toolbar. So by the time we collapse and we have it right here. So just like what you see right here, we have peer toolbar right here. So you can see peer graph tool right here. So you can go on and add as many as possible hidden toolbar in Illustrator. Come down below right here again, and then choose any other one that you still want to use from the options right here. So let's say for instance, I want to use this one right here, this particular tool right here, join tool. So click on it and allow it to load, and it's going to be added to your toolbar. Then from here, you can go on and start using the tool. So just like what you see right here, now the tool has been added into our Illustrator. This is join toolbar. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Illustrator software, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.